All right, so this video is specifically for podcasts for podcast creators that you want to create an RSS feed directly on Wondercraft, and this is the way that you can do it. Say that you're happy with your first episode, then you want to go ahead and create your podcast, create your RSS feed. So what you should do is just press back on library, and this is the welcome video, right? So this is what we've been working on until now. The first thing that you want to do is you want to create a new project. You're not going to have all of these available. You want to create a new project. We're just going to use the mindful living one that we have available here, but you might as well just create a new one. When you have this, you can either drag and drop directly into the new project, or you can just go here, move to a project, select mindful living, and then it's now going to be in there. You can see that it's now in there. If we press on that, then this is the mindful living project, which you can turn into a podcast. So this is the podcast, and all of these will be the episodes within the podcast. There are a few things that you need to do to publish this podcast. We have an image already selected. And what we should do here is we should go to the project settings and make sure to fill all of these out. So podcast format, what's the publisher name? Let's call it Dimitris. Email, Dimitris at gmail.com. Intro text. We don't need anything like this is for different purposes. If you want to create like templates to have the same intro text across each one, we don't need this for the RSS feed. And a category, let's say it's business, and then that will pop up a subcategory, save. And if we have this information, then we should be good to go. If we go back to publish and publish this, there you go. We now have our podcast RSS feed. So we have instructions on how to publish these on all of these different platforms, but you just go ahead and select this and follow the instructions here if you want to publish them at Spotify, Apple, or YouTube, or wherever. But yeah, this is how you can create your RSS feed. Something to highlight here is that Wondercraft does not cover comprehensive analytics, right? So Wondercraft is not an aggregator podcast host, which means that we're not going to collect analytics from Spotify and Apple, et cetera, and just give you all of this analytics on the platform. We just allow you to just publish your RSS feed in an easy way. But if you do want to have all of these analytics, you might need to use another platform that will aggregate all of this information for you. Some good ones are Podbean or Buzzsprout. We've used Buzzsprout in the past, so feel free to just check out those platforms that will give you an all-encompassing analytics. Otherwise, if you want to use the Wondercraft platform and you do want to have analytics, you do still have all of these analytics, but you're going to need to go into each separate platform to see how it performs on Spotify and Apple, etc. Cool. Just wanted to capture that. This is how you can create your RSS feed. Let me know if there's any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.